Hello guys, and welcome back into today's video. So in today's video I have a lot to go over, going to be going over the market levels on the SPY and the Qs, and then I also want to go over oil again because oil now looks bullish. We closed above the level for CVX and I actually lost over 24% on my oil puts, but then I actually alerted calls to swing. So hopefully, these oil calls that we got in today, we can get a bigger percentage gain than 25%. And I also want to talk about that, going to be going over very in depth on all of those stuff. So overall, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to subscribe with notifications on and make sure to leave a like. Now again, I have this video time stamped, it's in chapters, so you guys can actually skip through and skip the parts for the SPY if you don't like me talking about the SPY. So overall, let's get into this video. Okay, the SPY. Okay, I always do this in my YouTube videos. So in yesterday's and then 2 days ago, those videos that I made, we have been talking about the same level of support. Okay, so 445-ish. Okay, so 446, right around this area level of support. I didn't change it or anything. Now again, we closed above that level of support, so we're looking very nice, and we're looking very bullish. Now I'm not in calls, but I do have a bullish position, which is put credit spreads. It's a very complicated strategy, but overall I'm feeling very bullish on the SPY. So as long as if we hold 446, which is our level of support, we are good. If we were to close below 447, my price target would be 440 and I would be bearish. So as long as if the market holds this level, psychologically and personally, this is going to be a great look for the market if you are a bull. But other than that, we're setting up for a very nice flag play. So as you guys can see, we have a nice resistance around 451. So overall, I'm feeling very bullish for the market as long as if we hold our level of support. Now SPY looks great. Again, chart out these levels, follow along with me, but QQQ looks even better. Okay, so QQQ held our support, kind of like the same with the SPY, but QQQ has a nice visible psychological gap that we can actually fill. So above 356, okay, right above this level, go on the 5-minute right at market open. If we start breaking this level over here, 355, then 356, just chart this level out. But overall, above this level, 356.52 exactly, I'll be looking to buy calls and alert on Discord. My price target would be 361, which is the gap fill. So gap fill again is like a very nice play. Gap fill is a very nice strategy where you play gap fills. It's psychological stuff, but overall QQQ looks great. And definitely same thing as SPY, we need to hold this level, but overall, chart this out above 356. I'm buying calls, price target, gap fill. Now I want to take a look at oil. Okay, so XLE looks decent, SU. So overall the market was green, but I want to take a look at Chevron Corporation. So I was on puts for this play. I had my reasons. I made a whole video on it, and today I got stopped out. So I got stopped out a little bit earlier. So if you actually take a look at the 5-minute, the main reason that I got stopped out was because first of all, I had weeklies. So I had a tomorrow expiration, which were down around over 25%, and then I had next week expiration. So the main reason I actually got out was because of theta. Okay, I don't want to swing through theta. So once we start breaking that in, I kind of saw that as a great getting out opportunity. I got out for a 25% loss, and then before close, I alerted. So I said looking to get XOM calls for a swing. I posted a chart, and then couple minutes before close, I got into XOM. So this is still a starter position on XOM, but XOM looks beautiful. Now since CVX closed above that level, it looks great, but XOM looks incredible. Okay, we're gonna have a very nice stop loss right over here. So this will be our stop loss. So the close below this level of support is going to be our stop loss, and then we have a breakout coming in over here, which is right over here. So breakout, and I'll color this yellow. But overall, I'm looking at, we already got calls, but above 85, this thing is going to fly. This was also a very, very nice bullish play. Now again, I was very, very bearish on oil, but things switched very, very quickly. The market also looks bullish, but it will be very, very interesting because I have a very, very tight stop loss on XOM. Also keep in mind that I got a lot more time on XOM, around 2 to 3 weeks than 1 week contract. So overall, it's a less leveraged play. I have more time on this play, and overall my price target is kind of going to be all-time highs at this point. But definitely things are getting very, very, very interesting. Okay, XLE still has that ascending triangle, and overall the price target for oil is going to be all-time highs. Now we just need to hold these levels of support. Now overall, it was pretty frustrating. Okay, it was pretty frustrating because again I was in puts, and then I switched over to calls, and I was taking a look at CVX. Since it closed above that level of support, it has a very, very, very nice confirmation for calls. So overall, that was a great play. Price target for Chevron is 169. So overall, we can actually move it to 170 also. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very simple video. This was kind of like the same thing with Moderna. Okay, I was in Moderna calls, then we got stopped out, and then we got into Moderna puts, and it broke down very, very nicely, and we were even more profitable with our puts. We broke even with our with our loss, and made a lot more money on Moderna. So that is just something to keep in mind. Even though we lost over 24%, if XOM goes our way, it's going to be great. It's going to be looking very, very nice, and we just have more confirmation to be bullish since CVX closed above that level of support. And that was kind of like the main indication. Okay, with every single pattern, I was kind of trying to rush puts over here, but the main confirmation is right when we close above that level of support or resistance. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow right at the market open. Again, I'm in XOM calls. If we do start breaking out, 85, I'll be looking to alert same day expiration, since tomorrow is Friday. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow. Again, very, very tight stop loss on XOM, and make sure to leave a like, and bye bye.